Almost at work now. Had an interesting morning today. A little run-in with some wildlife. Not on the bike, but delayed me from getting on the bike. Had some car trouble last night. Car wouldn't start here at work, and then it did get started, and anyhow it's in the shop. Got it towed there last night. Had to take the bike, and before I could get on the bike and get headed to work, well, this happened. Not sure how many babies stayed up in the nest, but this little baby decided to jump out. There's Mama mad at me. Yeah, I don't want to fight you, Mama. I want to see if I can put your baby back in the nest. So here's little baby. Little baby. You go pecking my head over here, trying to help your baby. I went down to see little baby here, and I stuck my hand out so he does it or she does it. Yeah, I went like this. And it started opening his mouth like he wants me to feed him. Oh, there he goes. I don't want to feed. Mom's on the attack. I don't know. Down here you're gonna be cat food. I got neighbors. Cats. There's Mama right there. Pissed. I'm gonna try and pick you up and put you back in your nest. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but you're doomed down here because you obviously can't fly. Ever been attacked by a robin before? Alright. I put him back.
What was it?
I put him back.
What did you do?
Let's see what she does now. Oh, you're mad at me still. Hey, they're in my hair. Try to do a good thing.